Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I've got 4 contact lenses from Just for Kira to try out for you guys on camera. If you guys are only here for a specific colour, check out the description box down below. I've got timestamps for when I'm starting to talk about the particular colour, just to make it easier for you guys as well. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Diving straight into the video, and the first colour I've got on is Norco Green, that name though. But this is what they look like, and they are definitely giving me circled lens vibes, but I'm not hating it. Personally, I don't normally like contact lenses that make my eyes look a bit bigger, but with this particular colour and this particular style, it actually works. I kind of like it. I do feel like this is definitely more on the subtle side of things, even though it's more of a circle lens and, you know, your eyes look bigger. The colour itself looks more subdued, looks more natural, and from like a normal talking distance, like what I'm doing now with the mirror, it still looks fairly natural. Obviously when you come up close you can definitely tell they're contact lenses, but I still think they're very pretty. I do also like the limbal ring, how it's very defined. I feel like it gives it that very doe-eyed look as well. Okay, now we're moving on to Norco Blue, and before I move on, sorry, I forgot to mention about the pupil size for both the Norco Green and then now we're talking about Norco Blue. Pupil size is actually quite small, and I do find that the colour blending is actually really nice on both lenses. So the outer rim, obviously you've got the limbal ring, and then you've got this very, I suppose, a lighter shade of blue, which gives that sort of like reflective eye. It's really hard to describe, but it gives that nice reflection kind of illusion in the eye, which makes your eyes look even prettier. Like, it's such a beautiful shade. I do have to say that the shade of blue they have for this one is very vibrant, very punchy. So if you guys are looking for more of a subtle blue, this is definitely not the colour for you, but if you guys like want bam blue, this is it. Again, very, very pretty, very comfortable, and yeah, I'm obsessed with this colour, to be honest. Okay, now I've got Syntha Hazel, I think that's how you say it, and I am obsessed with these lenses. The pattern on these are incredible, and I don't know, I feel like they're just the prettiest shades of lenses I've ever seen, and I've tried out a lot, to be honest. I'm not normally one for a hazel eye look, but when I saw the photos of this on the website, it kind of looked like a greyish amber shade online, and then to actually see it in person, it actually does look like that. It's really, really pretty, but I feel like it looks a little bit more green, to be completely honest, like in person. I feel like on camera, like looking at the viewfinder, I do feel like it's giving me very hazel vibes, but in person it's giving me like a slightly grey-green look. Very, very pretty. First when I tried these on, like I've worn these out before, I thought they were going to kind of give me like Twilight kind of vibes, but they're not scary or zombie-esque looking or anything like that. They are very, very pretty, and even in real life people have complimented about these lenses now. They look so pretty, so natural, so don't worry, these don't look very fake. I think that's like a common thing that people are saying about this particular lens, is that you look a bit fake with these, and to be completely honest, I don't think so. I think it depends on your style and your face shape and your natural features, I should say, and also the makeup, how you do it. I think that's going to pretty much dictate whether or not it's going to look natural or not on you. Again, I'm Asian, I know it's not going to be a very common natural eye colour for people of my ethnic background, but I'm just saying on the eyes itself, it looks very, very pretty. Alright, let's move on to the last shade and the one that I've been looking most forward to trying. Last and final shade is Cintha Grey, and I am very happy with what I'm seeing so far. I believe this is one of the more popular shades on the website, and there's a reason why. It's so pretty. When I first saw photos online, I was like, that can't be real, that's not going to translate as beautifully on the eye as they are in the photos, but they actually do translate really well on the eyes in real life. It's so pretty. I think from this like distance it looks really nice and very natural, and up close and personal, like you can definitely see the pattern, like it's very dramatic. I still think it looks very pretty. I wouldn't dare say it's very natural looking, but it's definitely pretty and natural enough, I think I should say. That's probably, I'll leave it at that. Now in terms of blending, I don't think these particular lenses offer a lot of blending, unlike the Norco lenses where there's a lot of blending between the pupil, your natural eye colour, and then the contact lens itself. This one is pretty much just like not a pinhole, but like a very small pupil size. So you don't really see a lot of your natural eye colour. And I guess with this particular shade, that's kind of the point. You kind of just want to see the contact lens itself and really make an impact. And I feel like these contact lenses definitely deliver that. And there you guys go, those are my first impressions on all 4 lenses. Overall, I'm really impressed. Again, the Norco lenses, I feel like they give you a bit of a circle lens sort of like effect to the eyes. So if you guys are looking for that doll eye effect, definitely check those ones out. And I feel like the Norco green is definitely more on the subtle side of things, whereas the blue one is definitely very eye-catching. And again, with the Cintha colours, Cintha Hazel is a really nice, I'd like to say amberish kind of like grey-green colour. It is definitely hazel, but I feel like it's definitely more of a bright eye-catching hazel. And again, the colour that I'm wearing at this point in time is the Cintha Grey, and again, obsessed. This is probably one of my new favourite colours. It's so pretty. But yeah, that's enough from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!